Hi, I'm Komal, a technical trainer at Netcom. As a part of my professional journey, I recently completed the AICT program. I'm really excited to share my experience with you. So, the most valuable thing I learned from the AICT program was how to integrate artificial intelligence concepts into real world applications. It really strengthened my understanding of emerging technologies and how they're shaping the industries today. I definitely plan to use all of the knowledge that I've gained from the AICT program into all of my future training sessions that will help my learners not only understand the technology but also enable them to think innovatively about how to use AI to solve problems and to improve the efficiency. So I would absolutely recommend the AICT program to everyone. It's a very well structured program with a lot of hands-on that gives you the confidence to apply AI in your field, whether you're a trainer, a student, or a professional. It's definitely a great step forward to staying future ready in the world of technology. Thank you.